In this very brief presentation, I'm going to show you something that you can do, and unfortunately it will get you in a lot of trouble if you're not very careful with how you do it. Here I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. It has a design applied to it. Let me remove that design so that we have just a standard page. Let's go to, let's pick something. Here's a blank built-in design. Okay, now I've removed that design and I'm on my blank PowerPoint slide. Many folks will decide that they want to use a picture as a background. Excuse me, I'm jumping ahead. If you go to the Design tab, you do have many options of things that you can do. And in addition to selecting a design, you can change your background style and customize it manually, and you can format things in a very standard sort of way. But in addition to that, if you select Format Background, you can select from all sorts of different fills in your background. You can select a gradient fill or a texture. I can also click this Insert from File button, and I can utilize a picture, if I would like to have as my background. Now here's a really cool picture. Perhaps if I'm doing a science project, I might select the Earth. So I'm going to pick that picture, and I'm going to say close. If I wanted to apply it to all of my slides, I would, but I don't need to for this example. And I'm going to select close. And now you can see that I've added a picture as a background. I'm going to come back to my Home tab and come over here to the right, and these are some of the basic tools that you have available to you for inserting text. I'm going to insert a new text box, and I'm going to put a title. This is my title. Typically folks will write titles in black. Okay, there's my title. Can you read it very well? No. Let's just see if we can double click on that title and make it larger. The font's fine. I just want to increase the size of it, and I want to center it on my box. Is it still fine? Well, you're starting to get the message. It's not very easy to see when you have a picture as a background. So now I need to go ahead and change that font color. Let's see if I can make this readable. I'll change it to white. Now the other limitation I have, now that I have this wonderful picture as a background, if I want to go insert yet another picture because of the topic that I'm working on, I really can't do that because it's not going to look good on this background. As you can see, my picture doesn't quite, I guess I could get it over here in this white area. Well, you get the point. A picture is a background with multiple pictures layered on top of it in text that does not contrast is a bad idea. So that's just something to keep in mind as you're creating your PowerPoint presentations. Pictures are good, but use them sparingly and use them to enhance the topic.